What are operator and what is operation? So operators are basically mathematical operator, just like the plus sign you see on your screen. That plus sign is an arithmetic operator. But if we talk about the real name of that operator, it is called as sum. So sum is the name of the operation, and that plus sign is basically the operator. Operator and operations, these are two different things theoretically. So for performing this addition, you will use the operation called sum, and sometimes it is also known as the plus. Now, the second thing we have is difference. Difference is means that minus. It is used for subtraction. Overall, it is known as a minus sign. The sign of that minus is a simple dash. It's an operator. But if we talk about the name of that operator, the name of that operator in MSWLogo is a difference. Whenever the word difference used, it means that some kind of negation, subtraction, or minus is going to be happen. Now, time to see the product. The word product is used for multiplication, and it is also known as multiply. If you notice the sign, it is not look like the x which we study in our mathematics book, because x is a complete letter which is not equal to multiply. So if you need to get this star or asterisk in a computer, what you will have to do? You have to press the shift key, and you have, along with the shift key, you need to press the 8. When you press this, it will basically make the asterisk. That asterisk is a multiplication sign in computer. Product is the name of the multiplicative operator. This is the multiplicative operator and called as asterisk, and the name of that operation of the operator is product. So product is the name of operation and asterisk is the name of the operator. So after that, we have quotient. We all know this. Quotient is a division. Quotient is a division. It is used for division called as a divide, but this is not the sign for the divide because we did not study this in the maths book, but in computer, this is the sign for division. So, for example, you type here 12/4. So it means that the first value will be divided by the given value. And this is the forward slash. That forward slash work as a division sign in computer. So question means you are going to perform some kind of division. The name of the division operator is a slash, and the name of the operation for the division is called as quotient. Now, moving ahead to the last one, and it's a remainder. The remainder operation is used to find out the remainder of any division. For example, if you divide the 12 with the 4, in the above mentioned example, if you divide 12 with the 4, so the remainder would be 0. So this remainder operation is used to catch the remainder. Where we use it? For example, you need to find out any number which is even or odd. So the main difference between even and odd is of remainder 0 and 1. How? The number which are completely divisible by 2. For example, I write 10 divided by 2. So if I divide 10 with the 2, the remainder would be 0. So these are even numbers. Okay. And other than that, the numbers, those who have no remainder 0, these are odd numbers. So that's why we use the remainder operation in different platforms, in different softwares, and the same thing will goes in MSWLogo. So these are the arithmetic operator and operations in MSWLogo.